Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change search engine on Tecno Spark 10 Pro into a custom one. So to change search engine into a custom one on this device, you have to start with opening your internet browser, and I'm gonna use for this example a yep.com search engine. So you have to go to the yep.com site. And now you have to search something in this search engine. And now click on the three dots icon, go to settings, and now find option search engine. And here in recently visited you should have option yep.com. Select it and now go back, and as you can see here, now my search engine is set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.